Today, I'm making fried chicken, mac and cheese with some of my friends. Let's go.
Chicken is hard. It's dropping.
Let's kick this off with some milk in a pan. Add some salt. As it begins to boil, add your macaroni. Now, you want to keep this moving so it doesn't stick together. Add some paprika and seasoning and some yellow cheddar. Start mixing together and you will get a nice gooey mac and cheese consistency. For my chicken, I get some flour, some black pepper garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning. I put some baking soda. I put an egg, and the last but not least, some butter. Now, I'm gonna put this all together, whisk it till I get a nice consistency. So for my chicken today, I'm using chicken breast. Let's carve the bird. You wanna get nice cuts so that when you fry, it's gonna be nice and juicy. So I put it in the batter, put it in some flour, press it all together, put it in a frying basket, put it in the golden juice, comes out golden crispy. Let's go. Look at that chicken right there. That is award-winning chicken. Now let's plate it up. Put your mac and cheese on a plate, top it up with some chicken, and voila! Fried chicken, mac and cheese. Boom.